Frustrated with FC26 not saving your controller settings? You are not alone, and you are in the right place. Let's check the easiest ways to lock in your custom setup and stop the resets for good. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If your FC26 controller settings keep reverting or won't save, we have got the proven solutions to help you take control literally. Method 1. Set up controller on Steam. When controller settings are not saving, set up controller on the Steam platform. Here is how to do so. Open Steam, go to the Steam tab and select Settings. Next, select controller from the left side pane. If you have your controller connected, the name should appear here. You should find a game, rumble or similar option. You can turn it off. This should turn off the game vibrations. Next, scroll down and select External Gamepad Settings. Here, you will find compatibility for different types of controllers. Turn on the one that you are using. Scroll back and select Calibration and Advanced Settings. Select Open option, and here you can calibrate your controller when you are having any issues with the controller. You can adjust the slider from the dead zone settings. Once done, exit the settings. Then from the Steam library, right-click on the game you are having issues with, select its properties, next click on the controller tab. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to Use Default Settings. Select Enable Steam Input. Next, select Controller Configuration just above the settings. Now you can edit the layout for the controller you are using. Adjust the settings, then launch the game and check. You may need to tweak settings and check what works for you. Or you may just go with the default settings. Method 2. Configure the controller on Steam. Next, configure the controller on Steam for FC26. First, open Steam and click on the library option. If the game is not purchased from Steam, then you can add the game by clicking on the Add a Game option. Select Add a non-Steam game. Now check FC26 and click on Add Selected Programs. The game should appear in the Steam library. Now select the game option and click on Settings. Click on Controller and select the General Controller Settings option. If you have your controller connected, then it would appear in the Controller Detected section. Check the controller you are using from the options and configure the controller from the Detected section. Click on the controller and select Identify. Once the controller is identified, close Steam and run FC26 from Steam. Method 3. Disconnect other controllers. The next thing you need to do is make sure no other additional controllers are connected to your PC. Only have one controller connected at a time and see if that solves the issue. Method 4. Use USB or Bluetooth. The next thing you can do is connect your controller with a USB if you had it connected wirelessly, or connect it with Bluetooth if you have connected it with an USB. See if changing the type of connection solves this or not. Method 5. Check the integrity of the game files. Another thing you can do is check the integrity of the game files. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the Install Files and select Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till the verification process completes. Once the game is verified, relaunch the game and check. Method 6. Contact EA support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the controller issue, then you can reach out to EA support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. And that's how you fix the controller settings not saving issue in FC26. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tips. Drop a comment to let others know which method worked for you. It could save someone else a ton of time. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.